All right, Drew Lewis here with NotLameGames.com, showing you our speed test, how to get this 74Z speeder TJD Customs Ram disassembled and reassembled. We're gonna get that O-ring out there in less than 3 minutes. Something you can't do anywhere else. You want to see? All right, ready? Start the timer. Go. Okay. Get that little O-ring out of there. Check that out. Just drop it right back in. Tamp, tamp, tamp. All right, we are almost there. All right, here we go. All right, plenty of time to get into the next game.
2:11:63.
Okay. Go visit NotLameGames.com for the exclusive TJD Customs 74Z Speeder Ram.